In this section, we will see the details of supervised feature learning. So as we have seen in last sections that the feature learning is very important, and supervised and unsupervised two parts are there. So supervised feature learning is a learning that is done by learning features from labeled input data. So that's why it is called as supervised feature learning, because the features are learned using the labeled input data. The data label allows the system to compute an error term. The degree to which the system fails to produce the label can be used as feedback to correct the learning process. Means what we are doing, that the features are learned using labeled input data. So now what the data label is doing, the data label allows the system to compute the error. Now after computing the error, that particular error problem and that recovery has been done by giving as feedback so that we can correct the learning process. So that's how it works. So generally what it does in the learning process, it reduce or minimize the error. That's the main feature. So there are basically two approaches for supervised feature learning: supervised dictionary learning and neural networks. So we will see them one by one. So the supervised dictionary learning. So dictionary learning develops a set which is nothing but the dictionary of representative elements from the input data, such that each data point can be represented as a weighted sum of the representative elements. Means the dictionary learning is doing what? It is developing or creating a set. That set is nothing but dictionary, and that contains the representative elements, and that elements are taken from the input data, and that data is denoted or represented as weighted sum of the representative elements. Means whatever representative elements we are having, we are doing the sum of that, and that is taken into consideration while developing the set or dictionary. So the dictionary elements and the weights may be found by minimizing the average representation error. So as I said, they are used for reducing or minimizing the error. So the elements of dictionary and the weights are used for minimizing the average representation error. So we can see in the example that diagram is nothing but the supervised dictionary diagram. So what it does, it exploits both structure of the input data and the labels that are optimizing the dictionary elements. Means supervised dictionary learning technique applied dictionary learning, suppose on the classification problem, by jointly optimizing the dictionary elements as well as by the weights for representation of data points. And the parameters of the classifiers are based on what? Input data. So means in particular, minimization problem is formulated where the function consists of classification error, representation error, and regularization on representation of weights. So that is nothing but the supervised dictionary learning. The next one is the neural network. So it use a network which consists of multiple layers of interconnected nodes. Whenever we are talking about neural network, so neural network is nothing but collection of neurons which are arranged in particular layers. They are used to perform the feature learning, and various learning tasks can be performed by minimizing the cost function over the network function. Now neural networks are nothing but the family of learning algorithm which uses the network as a multiple layer of the nodes. Generally they are inspired by the animal nervous system, where the nodes are viewed as neurons and edges are viewed as synapses. So each edge is having particular weight, and the network defines the rules for passing the input data from input layer to output layer, and the network function associated with that network characterizes the relationship between input and output layers. So, multi-layer neural network can be used to perform feature learning. As we have seen, it is the part of supervised feature learning, and they are used for classification or regression at the output layer. So, this is about supervised feature learning, which is done for minimization of error by using the supervised dictionary learning approach and neural network approach. In our next section, we will see the unsupervised feature learning and the approaches of unsupervised feature learning. Thank you.